Wow, look, a toucan.
Colorful, isn't it?
What a cutie. Avelino, look, quick or you'll miss it.
It's okay. I just got to level 4. Incrível! That means incredible in Portuguese, the language we speak here in Brazil.
Wow, what an incredible monkey.
A wakari. That's the name of this type of monkey. Hi there, Mr. Curious. What brings you so close?
Ah! My game! Come back, monkey! Stop right there!
Huh? Oh, I see what's going on. I'm sorry. My little friend always likes to take things.
Thanks. I'm Avelino. This is my dad and the Super Wings.
I'm Padua. You like video games?
Yeah, they're incredible. Wanna play?
I have a better idea. I'll give you a tour of the river to my village. The Amazon rainforest is way more interesting than any video game.
I don't know.
A river tour would be wonderful.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Incrível!
Oh, okay.
Time to inflate our life jackets, son.
All right.
Let's begin the tour. Welcome aboard Padua's Raft. On the way to my village, we'll be seeing lots of incredible things, like chameleons. There's one.
I see it.
Wow!
And you can't miss the crocodiles when they're playing.
Wow.
Avelino, you're missing everything.
If I take my eyes off the game, I won't finish this level.
Oh, then I guess you won't see the Amazon's yummiest snacks.
That would be really bad. What is the Amazon's yummiest snack?
Acai berries.
Yum.
Amazing. Told you so. Huh?
What's that sound?
It's a Puraruka wave. They sometimes rush upriver from the sea.
Whoa!
Hey guys, I'm done with my maintenance check and ready to help.
Swampy!
Hop in, river goers. Oh wow! It looks just like my video game controls. Great! I could use your control skills.
Leave it to me. I'll give you directions. Let's go! Sharp right turn! Coming up! There's a curvy course ahead!
Look! Those monkeys need to be rescued.
My village is up ahead. It will need rescuing too. What do we do?
There's only one way to handle this. It's time for Supercharge!
Control Tower team, activate Supercharge!
Activate!
Let's take this rescue to the next level.